Then we will discuss the solution. Two more problems I have to do. Okay. Then we will discuss the solution. Then third one. The sum of two integer is revision 3. The sum of two integers. Sum of two integer is minus 11. If one of them is 5, one of them is 5, find the other. Find the other. Find the other. Option A is 15, B is 16, C is 6, D is minus 6. The fourth one. Those who are joining late, please be on the time. Then the value of red ink is visible. Yes, red ink is okay. The value of minus 7 into 6 plus minus 7 into 40. Minus 7 into 40 is A 42, B minus 84, C minus 140, D answer minus 196. So start solving. Get the answer, get the confidence. I want all the students fully confident before they appear the examination. First answer, do not tell me. Wait, my dear, let me give 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yes, ask the doubt. Which question you have doubt? Third question option is there. No, third question option is there. Third. Okay. You are telling me option is not there. Minus 60. Chalo. D is minus 60. Do it. D is minus 60. So 4 questions, 1 minute each. 1 minute each. Get the answer fast. 1 minute each. Get the answer fast. Get the answer fast. Check the answer. My dear, even if you have done, check the answer. Okay. So let us come to first question. What should be subtracted from minus 3 by 5 to get 7 by 10? B option you are telling? What is your name? Name and option. Name. First you tell me the name, no mind. Yes, name and option. Dhanvi D. Chalo, Dhanvi D. Anybody else? Daksh D. Daksh D. Sabita D. Okay. Vedant. Okay. चलो do one thing. Do one thing. अरे wait. No, do one thing. Do one thing. All of you write down your option for first in the chat box. Let me read that. Option for first in the chat box. Start writing. Let me read. Dhanvi D, Shreya D, Daksh D, Shaurya D, New Sethia D, Vedant, Kavita Mali, Yash Kumar, Aisha, Kanika, Vijay Vargiya D, Shruti Pradhan D. Yes. Then Divya Patel D, Shaurya D, Pratyush D, Sandeep D. Okay. Shaurya D, Praveen Kharbat D, Shweta Kushwaha D. Okay. So majority are telling D. Majority are telling D. Let us check whether this is correct or not. Let us check with. Wait, my dear. You are not listening. What should be subtracted from minus 3 by 5? So minus 3 by 5. What should be subtracted? Wait. Mute the microphone. What should be subtracted from minus 3 by 5? From minus 3 by 5. Mute the microphone because I am getting disturbed, my dear. Mute the microphone. From minus 3 by 5, what should be subtracted? Let x be subtracted so that you get the answer 7 by 10. Okay? So this side is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Okay? This is minus x. So minus x I will take it on the right hand side and 7 by 10 I will take it on the left hand side. Whenever we change the side, sign changes. Sign changes. Yes, mute the microphone, please. Mute the microphone, my dear. So minus 3 by 5. We take 7 by 10 on the other side, minus 7 by 10. Minus 7 by 10. Wait, my dear. Mute the microphone, otherwise next time I will not admit. Next time I will not admit, my dear. Minus 3 by 5. Wait, no. Minus 3 by 5. That is why next time I will not admit. Minus 7 by 10 is equal to x. So, you take LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. So, that becomes minus 6, minus 7 upon 10. Minus 6 minus 7 is minus 13 upon 10. So minus 13 upon 10 was the correct answer. Now go for this. The sum of two rational number. Start sending me the answer. The sum of two rational number. Shreya C. Option. Pratyush C. Daksh Patel C. Kanika C. Shaurya C. Kavita C. Shaurya C. Dhanvi C. Tanvi C. Yadav Gupta C. Yes. So, 1 minute. New Sethia C. Krisha Jain C. Kaustubh Parab C. Parvesh Kharwad C. Okay. Jenil Shah C. You did not give the option, my dear. Nishan C. Veer Gupta C. Only one time you write. Don't write CCC. You write only once. Then Dibbi Patel C. Vedant Puraskar C. Very good. So these are the answer. Let us see whether C is the option. Let us take the answer whether it is 7 by 10 or not. Let us see, let us check the answer. Arey my dear, wait. Let us see. Before we have log. Let us check the answer. No. Sum of two rational number is minus 3 by 5 plus x is 1 by 10. So let other rational number be x. Let other rational number be x. So one of the rational number is minus 3 by 5, other is x, sum is 1 by 10. Now we take minus 3 by 5 on the other side, it will become plus. So 1 by 10 plus 3 by 5. LCM of 10 and 5 is 10. So 1 plus 6 by 10. That is 7 by 10. 7 by 10 is the answer. So the correct answer is 7 by 10. Very good. Now all of you start sending me the answer of third. Start sending me the answer of third. Shaurya Veera C. Aditi Gada D. Krisha Jain D. Daksh Patel D. Vedant D. Sweta D. Veera D. Hasti D. Then Atharva D. Kavita Mali D. Wait. Veer Gupta D. Tanmay D. Nishant Sindhe D. Tanmay D. Hitan Suklana D. Savni Bane D. New Sethia D. Veer Gupta D. Shaurya Yadav D. Veer Gupta D. Okay, chalo, let us see. Let us see. Majority are giving the answer D. Let us log the answer D and check whether it is correct or not. Sum of two integer is minus 11. So first integer plus second integer is minus 11. One of the integer is 5. So 5 plus other integer is x, minus 11. This is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. So we take 5 on the right hand side, it will become minus 5. Plus 5 will become minus 5. So x is equal to minus 11 minus 5. Now 11 and 5, they have same sign. Minus minus same sign. So you have to add the number and take the common sign. So x will be 11 plus 5 is 16. Common sign minus minus will be minus. So answer is minus 16. Very good. So very good. All of you give the correct answer. Arey wait. Now start sending me the answer of 4. The value of minus 7 into 6. C. Shreya Veera C. Dibbi Patel C. Nishant C. Aisha C. Shaurya C. Kanika C. Hitansh C. Aditi Gada C. Vedant Puraskar C. Daksh Patel C. Dhanvi C. Tanvi Datta C. Mayank Jatara C. Tanmay Landge C. Kavita Mali C. Veer Gupta D. Arey Veer Gupta D. How D will come, my dear? Veer Gupta. How D will come? So majority are telling C. Majority are telling C. Let us see. Log this C and check whether C is the correct answer. Because one of the student Veer Gupta, the answer was B. So minus 7 into 6. Minus 7 into 6 plus minus 7 into 14. Minus 7 into 6 plus minus 7 into 14. Okay, let us see. Minus 7 into 6 plus minus 7 into 14. Okay, let us take the answer. Minus into plus minus, minus 42. Minus into plus minus, minus 98. Minus 98. Let us add. Minus minus same sign. Whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. Minus minus common sign minus. Add the number. 42 plus 98 is 140. So the correct answer is 140. Minus 140. Okay. So the correct answer is minus 140. So those who have got the option C, you just tick mark your option C. You start correcting yourself. Then fifth one, find the quotient of 5 find the quotient of minus 120 divided by minus 12. The option is A 5, B minus 5, C 10, D minus 10. When I will start sending the answer, then only you send me the answer. Before that, do not send me the answer, because that I will not take. Okay. The product of two integer is the product of two integers. Product means multiplication. The product of two integers is minus 140 if one integer is minus 20, find other. Option A is 10, B minus 10, C 7, D minus 7. Okay, let me write two more questions. Now my dear, adjustment is proper. You see, you keep the phone horizontal. Keep the phone horizontal. Let us see. Because my side adjustment is showing properly. So find the quotient of minus 120 divided by minus 12, and the product of two integer is minus 140, one of the integer is minus 20, find the other. Okay. Then, wait. Then seventh one. Find the sum of, or write down evaluate. Evaluate means simplify. Evaluate minus 4 by 9 plus minus 5 by 12 what is clear? Minus 5 by 12 plus 30 plus 30. My dear, clear it is. Clear है. अरे my dear, it is clear. Option A. Option. I did not ask the answer, my dear. 16 upon 26. Unless and until we ask the answer, do not give the answer. 26 upon 36. 16 upon 26. 26 upon 36. C answer is 46 upon 36, and D answer is minus 26 upon 36. Okay, 8th one. We will discuss once the problem is solved. Okay, wait. These are not the options. Let me change the option. Minus 4 by 36, B minus 5 by 36, C minus 7 by 36, D minus 11 by 36. Then 8th one, simplify. Okay. Simplify 9 upon minus 32 plus 11 upon 12. The options are given: A 51 upon 96, B 41 upon 96, C 61 upon 96, and D, mute the microphone, 71 upon 96. Mute the microphone whenever you want to talk. So let me give 2 minutes to solve this. Let me read all the options. Okay. Fifth question is, find the quotient of minus 120 divided by minus 12. Options are 5, minus 5, 10, minus 10. Then sixth question is, the product of two integers is minus 140. If one of the integer is minus 20, find the other. Options are 10, minus 10, 7, minus 7. Then seventh question is, evaluate minus 4 by 9 plus minus 5 by 12 plus 13 by 18. Options are minus 4 by 36, minus 5 by 36, minus 7 by 36, minus 11 by 36. Okay? No. I will tell you. Eighth question I am reading. Simplify 9 upon minus 32 plus 11 upon 12. Options are 51 by 96, 41 by 96, 61 by 96, 71 by 96. Now let us discuss fifth question. So start sending me the answer of fifth. Find the quotient of minus 120 divided by minus 12. Start sending. C option, Sheetal A, Nishant C. Veer Gupta A. You have written ABCD all. How, my dear? Krishank C, Kavita C, Veer Gupta C, Daksh Patel C, Dhanvi C, Neil Setia C, Shaurya C, Aditi Gada C, Vedant Tulaskar C, Tanvi Datta C, with okay. So majority, yes. Now majority are telling C. That is answer 10. So yes, let us see whether log answer is correct or not. So majority are telling C 10. Let us see, no. Let us, my dear, let us check minus 120 divided by minus 10, minus 12. Okay. So division, first you will cancel minus sign. Then you will write 12 10s are 120. So answer is plus 10. Plus 10 or 10. So C was the correct option. Very good. So now all of you start sending me the answer of 6. The product of two integers is minus 40. D, Sheetal D, Nishant D, Tulaskar C, Aisa C, Veer Gupta D, Shramni C, Shaurya D, New Gupta, Hasti Poria C, Veer Gupta, why you have written both answer D and C, my dear? Only one is the correct answer. So majority are telling C and some of you are telling D. So there is a confusion between C and D. But majority are telling C. So let us log this answer C and check whether this is correct or not. Let us check. Yes, my dear. My dear, anything should not be written strictly in the chat box. Action will be taken, my dear. Except answer, except roll number division, nothing should be written. Let us check. The product of two integers is minus 140. So first integer, product means multiplication. Second integer is minus 140. The product is minus 140. One of the integer is minus 20. So first integer is minus 20. Other we consider x. So minus 20 into x is equal to minus 140. This is my left hand side. This is my right hand side. Minus 20 when I will is there on the multiplication on left hand side and right hand side. Okay. So when you will take minus 20 on the right hand side, it will go in the division. Sign will not change. Whenever you take number in the multiplication, sign will not change. Only in case of addition and subtraction, sign changes. In case of multiplication becomes division, but sign will not change. So x is equal to minus 1. Now all of you will not write anything in the chat box. Yes, Atharva? Why not listening? Minus 140 divided by minus 20. Minus 140 divided by minus 20. Do not change the sign. Minus 20 will remain minus 20 because there is a multiplication. In case of addition and subtraction, sign changes. But in case of multiplication, it will become division, but same sign. Minus 20 will remain minus 20. Now minus minus sign get cancelled. 27 is 140. So answer is plus 7. Answer is 7. So C was the correct option. Yes. Okay, chalo, ठीक है. So, my dear, we are not playing a quiz. Okay, we are preparing for the examination coming. Assessment 1 examination. Chalo, 7th one. Start 7th one. हाँ, चलो 7th one. शीतल गोरी B, श्वेता B, श्वेता कुशवाहा बी, हस्ती पोरिया बी, न्यू सेठिया बी, तन्वी बी, परव वोरा बी, वीर गुप्ता बी, तन्वी दत्ता बी, धनवी बी, तन्वी बी, निशांत बी, श्रवणी बी, दक्ष पटेल बी, कृषा चौहान बी, वीर गुप्ता बी, कौस्तुभ बी, हाँ हस्ती पोरिया बी, हाँ चेंज इट. And don't write there log. You just write on the option. Don't write anything. Log this answer. Do not do that. Only you write on the option. So all of you are telling there is nobody else whose answer is different. So all of you are telling me B is the option. So let us check. Let us check whether logged answer B is correct or not. Minus 4 by 9. Okay. Minus 4 by 9 plus minus plus into minus minus plus into minus 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 5 by 12 plus 13 by 18. What is LCM of 9, 12, 18? Yes, 36. LCM of 9, 12, 18 is 36. 9, 12 and 18 is 36. Okay. So let us make denominator 36. So minus 16 by 36. Wait, minus 15 upon 36 plus 26 upon 36. So denominator is same, 36, 36, 36. So minus 16, minus 15 plus 26. Minus minus same sign. You have to add the number and take the not plus. Minus minus same sign, add the number. Don't say plus, say add. Add the number. So 16 plus minus 31 plus 26 upon 26. Again they have opposite sign. Minus and plus opposite sign. You have to subtract. 31 minus 26, 5. Which number is bigger? 31 minus sign. Minus 5 upon 30. 36. So answer is minus 5 upon 36. So this was B was the correct answer. Now all of you start sending me the answer of 8. Start me sending me the answer of 8. 8 New Setia C, Veer Gupta A, Shreya Veera C, Nishant Sindhe C, Veer Gupta A, Tanvi Datta C, Vedant Tulaskar A. Vedant, check the calculation. Vedant check the calculation. So Kavita Mali C, Veer Gupta C, Hasti Poria C, Dhruva C, Sheetal C, Veer Gupta C, Shruti Pradhan C. So some of your majority of you are telling me the answer C. Majority of you are telling me the answer of C. हाँ, चलो ठीक है. I will accept your suggestion. Let me log the answer C. Let us check whether this is correct or not. So 9 upon minus 32, I can write minus 9 upon 32 plus 11 upon 12. What is LCM of 32 and 12? LCM of 96. Okay, 96. So this we have to make 96. Multiply by 3. That is 27. 9 3s are 27. 32 3s are 96. Plus 11, 12 8s are. So 11 into 8, 88 upon 96. So minus 27 plus 88 upon 96. minus and plus opposite sign you have to subtract. 88 minus 27, 61. 61 upon 96. Which number is bigger? 88 plus 61. So 61 upon 96 was the correct answer. Very good. 61 up. Yes. So all of you send me the correct answer. 61 upon 96. Let me give two more problems. Okay. 1 minute is left. So 1 minute is left. So one problem. Let me give one problem. Then ninth, additive inverse of minus 7 is option A 0, B minus 7, C 7, D is 40. Chalo, give the answer. Additive inverse. I have told you additive inverse means you change the sign of that number. Chalo, start sending me the answer. Additive inverse of minus 7 is C, Sheetal, C, Shreya, A. Are Shreya A, house A will be Divya Patel A. How A will be the answer, my dear? Durva C, Kavita C, Vedant Tulaskar B. Where is the option B? Dash Patel C, Tanvi Datta C. Okay, let us see. Additive inverse means you have to change the sign of the number. So plus you have to write minus, minus you have to write plus. You will get the additive inverse. So which number is given? Minus 7. You change the sign, it will become plus 7. Plus 7 is same as 7. So what is the answer? C is the correct answer. Okay? Okay. No, our target is to get 25 out of 25 in the coming examination. That's all. And that 25 out of 25 is more than 7 crores. Okay. That 25 is more than 7 crore rupees. Okay.